These are one of my favorite pair of red heels that I have that are so comfortable because of that thick heel and the fact that the toe part is onto the ground. But I lost a strap. I lost the red strap that belongs to it. So of course I had to find a replacement. I ended up going on Amazon and found these rhinestone replacements that I thought would give a really, really cute classic touch to a pair of old shoes that I've been having for years, y'all. And I did not want to buy a new pair. So check me out. I really like how they look on me. I think the rhinestone, it is silver, but I think the rhinestone effect just gives it like a classic, feel to it. And then that little chain detail hanging, I just think that is so cute. I tried to walk with them without a strap at first and they just kept on flopping off. But of course with this little chain strap on, it is not going to come off. And as you can see, they are keeping the heels in place and it's not falling off the back of my foot or anything like that. You can tighten them up or you can wear them as loose as you want to. But yes, this definitely works. I will be able to move around in them just like I did before. The chain is pretty strong and sturdy, and it's just a pretty cheap find that I found on Amazon, and I do have the link in the bio just in case you need to get you some type of replacement strap. They have some really nice replacement straps. Now, I didn't want to get the color red or anything because I was worried that the colors would not match and I didn't feel like returning or anything like that. But yes, I feel like a chain strap is going to be a perfect accent to a pair of shoes that I've been having for years. Don't forget to check my link out in bio and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more hacks and more affordable finds. Thanks for watching.